How's it going, YouTube? What's going on? We're back on red today. And I went and bought this little cheapo laser temperature thing. So I can check to see if I do have a dead cylinder or something without having to pull the plugs. And then if I have a dead cylinder, then of course I'll pull that plug and see what's going on. Maybe put my camera inside there and make sure that not a hole in the piston or something. It seemed like I get a lot of blow by with that. I hadn't seen any, so I think we're good there. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna see if we can get this thing running and driving and maybe do a burnout. Maybe. Who knows? But let's get into this and let's see what we're gonna do. Alright, well, she sounds like she's running decent now. I had to adjust the fuel pressure up. It was at like 4 pounds. I checked all the cylinders. They're all right around 350. So I don't have a miss. So I don't know. There's no, I'm not milking oil or anything like that. So I gotta do one more thing. I'll show you here in a second. Well, it's not leaking now. That lower hose leaks every once in a while, so I gotta tighten it up. But I think I might be taking it for a drive here soon. So let's turn around here.